Dear Swissies and Switzerland lovers, sometimes fog forms in the lowlands during the cold months, and depending on the height of the fog, this creates wonderful natural spectacles. Let's see what nature has cooked for us today. This is the foggy silhouette of the Villa Honeck, very famous and expensive hotel. Yeah, one video went viral a few years ago. Yeah, and now everyone wants to book rooms here, but I cannot afford it. Yeah, so sorry, Villa Gal. It is shortly before sunrise, and soon the sun will come up. I don't know, around somewhere here. Yeah. And then we are at the right place. Look at all. I've never done this with you before. Huh? Walk out of the fog and take you with me above the sea of fog. Yeah, we are exactly at the right time, at the right place. Ooh, to keep my promise, we need to go up more because the fog is rising. Yeah. Not that you say, you promised, and yeah, then we saw nothing, and me, you know. Yeah. Oh, really? You can see now how fast the fog is moving. Rasta, du mal sitzen? To compare? Sitzen? Nein, sitz. Warte. Yeah, we need to go up again. Damn. It was the right decision this morning to come to this place. You can see now the roof of the Villa Honeck. Yeah, let's see what will change in the next few minutes. It's so funny. Now you can see how the fog is moving back again. And this is the reason why I will do a time lapse right now. So you can see how the fog is moving, yeah, in between seconds. Yeah, the hotel guests woke up over there. You may be a little bit confused because it doesn't look like winter, right? Yeah, the reason is we have so warm temperatures and there is only snow around above 1,500 meters. Yeah, it's very sad. It is maybe a little bit boring for you to watch, but yeah, if you look on the details, you see so much in the fog. I wanted to fly, but it is a authorization zone. Yeah, so it's not possible to fly here, unfortunately. Yeah, I wanted to show you the area a little bit, but yeah, I cannot change it. And I play with the rules I have. Now, after work, I would like to have a cappuccino. Yeah, we check out if they let us in. Yeah. The view from here isn't that bad too. Yeah. it's not so bad, huh? I told you. So, we got a cappuccino. Budget solution. Weren't those incredibly beautiful and relaxing moments again? It doesn't take much. Fresh air, some sunshine, a little mist, and your soul is filled with beauty. We go home happy, and we hope that we were able to pass on a little of this happiness to you.